Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to lock and hide any apps on Android phone, Infinix phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone master. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my phone master. Just like so, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy protection. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on app lock. So if you are using this apps lock for the first time, you will be asked to enter your lock pattern or password. So I'm going to enter my lock pattern. Then it's going to load up like this and show me all the apps I have in this particular app lock. So we have everything right here. Now, for you to add any app to the app lock right here, what you need to do is to simply enable this button. You can turn on as many as possible apps that you want to add into the app lock. Once you enable all these buttons, then you are done. So basically, this is how to lock app and hide any apps on Android phone with just your Infinix phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.